In this tutorial, we're going to make an interactive home page in Microsoft Excel. We'll start with a workbook that already has a couple of sheets. To add a sheet, we'll click the plus button, then right-click and rename. We'll just rename this one Home, and then we'll drag it to the front of the sheets. I just want it to be first, so I'm going to drag it right up front there. Then we'll move these columns around a little bit just to give us space to work. We'll name the first column Sheet, and the second column Description. So I'm going to type the name of each sheet that's already in my workbook in the Sheets column and a brief description in the Descriptions column. So the name is fairly straightforward, just whatever you named your sheet. The description can be anything as long as it means something to you. So you're identifying the contents of that sheet in this is sort of your notes section to identify the contents of that sheet. So I'll just finish typing my description, and then the next thing I want it to do is add a link. To add a link, I'm going to right click on the field in the sheet and select hyperlink. And then I'll choose place in this document, and I'll just select that sheet and click OK. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. Right click, hyperlink, place in this document is selected, and then I'll just select that sheet and click OK. So now if I click on that link, it takes me to that sheet. Back to the Home tab, click on this link, it takes me to that sheet. Back to the Home tab, so you can see we now have an interactive home page that we can easily navigate to any of our tabs.